afternoon. Hello, this is Faustina. Faustina, to greet them now.
Hi.
It's been a long time. So guys, I'm in the village. So we are here. We're cooking in our local fire. You understand? It's been a long time I used firewood to cook. And actually, it's even the best. Okay, when you use firewood, you have it. The taste will taste different. So we're about cooking. Okay, we're about to cook the food with our firewood. So anyway guys, happy Xmas wherever you're watching me from. Hope you guys are celebrating your Christmas. Okay, yeah, so just feel free, enjoy yourself, because this life, nothing there, this life, enjoy yourselves. Okay, so we are about to cook our Christmas stew. Please make sure you subscribe after watching this video. Love it, like this video, and drop a lovely comment. I'll be seeing you guys in as we continue. Bye guys. You don't pour oil.
So put salt and see.
Planning and scheming just for power. Many are destroyed by desire. No joy, no peace, fighting for the throne. Ocheze, onyega no do no cheze. Onyega bonyo chichi. Iye mritu wane buto wike. Ocheze, onyega no do no cheze. Onyega bonyo chichi. Iye mritu wane buto wike. Ocheze, onyega no do no cheze. Onyega bonyo chichi. Iye mritu wane buto wike.
We want the meat to be very, very soft.
Inside this place, I can't even bright.
I like this food. It's done very well.
I see a smart so. Yes, so. I'm
Oh my God! Oh my God! Now me want test too.
You never done that.
Now me go test. Now test that.
So my other brother wife, brother Destiny wife.
Welcome. Happy Mary. I'm very new in advance.
So guys, I just need to continue. Okay, I want to do the voice over a little bit. So what is happening here? We are frying the tomato. This tomato actually it was sliced, and that's just my first time of trying that method. So just trying to turn it, and this one was so exhausting. I said, I wish I could turn this one, maybe this one can't turn. So she just like helping me, telling me that I should turn it very, very well. So when I was turning it, then it will melt, and I can add the other, the one that came with sachet, that's the tomato sachet one. So that is what I'm doing here, guys. It is so stressful, and cooking in this firewood, guys, the experience is something else, because it's a long time I have cooked in a firewood. It's very, very long. Let me just say for 5 years right now. Okay, it's been a very long time. So anyway, but I enjoy this cooking. Actually, I really enjoy this cooking. If you are still watching me, please subscribe because it's not easy. We actually brought the stew back to the gas because, guys, we need to eat, because this is almost let me just say after 4 to 5, and we are yet to eat our Christmas food. Who does that? So that was why we brought it into the kitchen, so that the gas will help us to round it up. I beg, I'm not there for that firewood test. Anyhow it's still going to come out very well. So guys, we are done with the cooking, so the next thing to do is to eat. So after eating, I'll be going home, actually, because going back to our home will take like almost, let's say, 2 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes. So this is Faustina with a plate. We're about to eat. I think they look away. So we're about to eat, okay? Yeah. So that's the thing. Come on, see here. What you touch on my phone? Say this thing clear. Faustina. This thing clear. Where I go touch on my phone with it like this? See.
You put filter.
No, people are saying they did. So guys, we are done with the cooking. We're about to go home. I will eat before going home. So see you guys when I'm eating. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. It's very, very important. Okay, I love you guys. And there's one thing with cooking with the firewood. It tastes different. It tastes great. Okay, see you guys later. Yeah, going back, guys. I'm going back. Okay, that's my mother-in-law over there. We're actually going back. Okay, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. Bye, guys.